Hi bestie, thank you for stopping by. In this particular video, I just want to share you guys few of natural hairstyles you can rock this season with your natural hair. They are simple to do, very protective hairstyle, no maintenance required. You can rock these different hairstyles with your natural hair. Okay, like I told you guys, I'll be bringing from time to time different kinds of hairstyles or latest hairstyles you can try out this season. So go ahead, let's view these hairstyles together. One thing I like about these hairstyles is that you can easily rock them with your natural hair. They don't need much spending. Okay, you can do most of them yourself, but if you can't do it, someone else can help you do it without charging you much. Okay, you can simply save some money by rocking these different natural hairstyles and looks amazing this season. So guys, follow me, let me show you guys different amazing protective hairstyles, natural hairstyles that I brought for you guys to try. And please do well to let me know in the comment section which of them you would like to give a try. So guys, you see how easy and very simple hairstyles that I brought to your table today. Super easy, very affordable. You can simply do it with your hair without adding any extra extension, or you can simply use a kinky to rock many of these hairstyles. And out of all these hairstyles, this is my best. I love this one particular one very well. Like, I love this style. Okay, do you think you can try this on your natural hair? If you think so, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you guys for riding with me, and see you guys in my next upload. I'll be bringing to you guys from time to time different and latest hairstyles you guys can give a try. Please don't forget to subscribe, give this a like, share. Thanks, and see you. Bye.